Okay, so this is gonna be a quick video. I've been using my YS640S and I have a little bit of pellets left between cooks and I wanna change them out. So how do you do that? All you're gonna need is an ash vac or a shop vac. I took out the filter. See, I'm cleaning it out a bit. And I got some pellets left. So all you gotta do now is I'm gonna start and vacuum it all out. And that's all you gotta do. Now you take those pellets out of the shop vac, make sure it was clean before you did all that, and you put them back in the bag, in the storage container, wherever you want. Now I got mine out, I'm gonna get the new batch in and get going on the next cook. And since I have the ash vac out anyways, might as well take everything out and vacuum up all that ash from all the cooks. Clean it out properly, and when done, it looks like this, nice and clean and ready for the next one. Thanks for watching this quick video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.